Hey, it's hot and it's really dry. So think about all the wildlife around your home, guys. Yeah, think about all your wildlife. Give me a hubcap. Drill me 3 holes in. Run you some wire in the holes you just did. Come down to the hook there on the end. Hang that thing up close to your bird feeder. Fill it up with water. Might need to level it a little bit. So yeah, now we got a nice bird water next to the bird feeder. Yeah, guys, think about your wildlife. We turned a dog dish into a bird dish. Thanks for watching.